Pakatan Harapan has filed a leave for judicial review application for a court order to compel the Registrar of Societies, or RoS, to reply in its bid to be a registered coalition. It was filed through the law firm of Messrs. Gobind Singh Deo and Co. at the High Court Registry on Wednesday.
Now, it's disappointing to note that this is not the first time that the RoS, to me, has acted quite unprofessionally. In the case of the DAP, as you all know, it took them some 4 years to respond in respect of complaints made. And now, of course, with PPBM and of course with the Registration of Harapan, we see that there's no response at all. So our position is that we have complied with whatever we are required to do, and we do not feel that there's any reason for the RoS to withhold registration of Harapan, and this is the reason why we are now seeking leave from the court for orders that the failure on part of the RoS to respond is unlawful. There are elements of malafide in their failure to respond, and as far as we are concerned, there is no basis for them to reject the registration of Pakatan Harapan. So we are asking for an order that they actually be directed to register Pakatan Harapan forthwith.
The RoS was named as the sole respondent. The suit named opposition leaders including Pakatan Secretariat Chief Datuk Saifuddin Abdullah, DAP Secretary General Lim Guan Eng, and PKR Secretary General Datuk Saifuddin Nasution Ismail as applicants.
We have set up Pakatan Harapan because this is something that we feel is necessary for the purposes of us moving in as a coalition in the next elections. The fact that we have applied and there's absolutely no response puts us in a very precarious situation. I mean, there are preparations to be made. We have a lot of things to do, and the question is, how do we move ahead when we have an application which is pending? There's no answer, there's no yes, there's no no. So I think this is something that is not acceptable.
In its affidavit, the applicant said Pakatan made an application to register the coalition to RoS Director General on July 28, 2017. As there was no response to the application, Saifuddin had written a letter on August 21, 2017 to the respondent and requested for a meeting to know the progress of the application. They claimed the respondent did not reply to the letter. If Pakatan was not registered as a coalition, party candidates running in the next election would not be able to use the same Pakatan logo.